to be sitting here 2.5, 3 years later after just seeing the land next door and buying that for parking, and then, wow, we should expand the building now that we have land, and coming up with a plan for that and working with an architect on every design and detail to make it all make sense. And here we are after all of that. It is such an incredible feeling. It turned out so beautifully. And as the details came together, it just caused us to light up with joy with every step of the way of just so happy.
It felt really great working on this project. We had such great owners to deal with. We had a lot of great vendors as well. We all had the common goal, and we would set a target where this part had to be done. And we got a phenomenal team with Darrell White being the project manager.
You know, we went through a lot to get here, and to be able to work that hard and see the results of your hard work is, like I said, it's very fulfilling. Very proud of the end result here.
It feels really great to be inside of such an elevated space. Just all the finishes are so beautiful. Most of it was done by the architect and the owners, but there were times where we would all look at something and say, you know what, we could do a little bit more here. So this building is really the product of a lot of people looking at every detail.
It was a great experience working with Rolex and their millworker Wider to complete the Rolex boutique. We held to their specifications, which are extremely tight, just like the components of a Rolex watch. They want the showroom to match that functionality and beauty, and I think we worked as a team and really achieved that.
The most magnificent feature I'm most proud of is our entryway. I wanted it to be like flowing, dancing maple leaves and like the wind blowing through them. They were going to be laced with pure 24 karat gold and pure silver, and I wanted 2 hummingbirds dancing in the leaves, and they were to represent my mom and dad because they love hummingbirds. They're always out watching the hummingbirds, but I wanted my parents who built this amazing company, I wanted them to always watch over the store.